Savory and Soulful, Mastering the Art of Onion Soup. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of savory and soulful onion soup. Get ready to learn the art of preparing this classic dish that will warm your heart and please your taste buds. So, let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a generous amount of yellow onions, butter, beef broth, thyme, bay leaves, and a French baguette. Begin by thinly slicing the onions and melting a pat of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add the onions and cook them slowly until they become wonderfully caramelized and fragrant. This will take some patience, but trust me, it's worth it. Once the onions have reached that beautiful golden color, it's time to add the beef broth. Pour it into the pot and stir everything together. Now, it's time to infuse the soup with flavor. Drop in a few sprigs of thyme and a couple of bay leaves. Let everything simmer gently and allow the aromas to meld together. While the soup is simmering, we'll prepare the final element, the cheese-topped baguette. Cut the baguette into thick slices and toast them until they're golden brown. Once toasted, place a slice of Swiss cheese on each piece of bread and pop them under the broiler until the cheese is bubbling and golden. Now, it's time to combine all the elements. Ladle the piping hot soup into individual bowls and carefully place a cheesy baguette slice on top of each. The moment has arrived to savor this incredible onion soup. Break into that cheesy bread, allowing it to soak up the flavors of the soup as you take each spoonful. The rich, savory broth paired with the melty, gooey cheese creates a harmony that will leave you craving more. So there you have it, the savory and soulful art of making onion soup. It's a dish that can elevate any meal or simply stand alone as a comforting and delicious option. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures. Unlock a world of knowledge, inspiration, and entertainment by subscribing to our channel today, and join a community of curious minds on a journey towards limitless possibilities. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Afsan Farms Kitchen. Afsan Farm Media Production.